girl, Rich Soul, back at you again. I'm at Taco Bell. Just ordered the Bacon Club Chalupa after seeing Miss Geneva do it for my Kendra life. I was like, let me start up my car. So I went to the one that was like a little bit closer to my house, and of course they was out of pita bread. We can't do it because we out on the pita bread. And I'm like, what else y'all out of? Y'all always out. Want you close out, okay? Close out. Always out of something. So I'm over here at this other Taco Bell, waiting on my order. I got some nacho fries and the loaded nacho taco, loaded cheese, nacho cheese taco, and the Bacon Club Chalupa. So I'm just waiting in line and waiting in line.
This hour is powered by 1-800-INJURED.
Still waiting.
Car wreck, call 1-800-INJURED to get you
Still
a
waiting.
The #1 station in the streets.
Turn off my radio. All right. So, y'all, she was looking at me like, what's wrong? I'm like, I need my cup of ice water. Yo, she goes to say, you need a straw? Nah. Now I don't need no straws. Just give me the cup of ice water with the little thing right here in the middle, okay? Just hand me my ice water with no straw, okay? Oh boy, these folks don't know how to work nowadays, y'all. See, back in my day, we knew some, we gave nothing but good customer service. These fries look good. Wow. Oh, Lord have mercy. It look like they forgot my damn nacho cheese, y'all. Oh, I'll be back. Well, I'll tell you, people just don't want to work nowadays. Like, appreciate your job, okay? So a lot of people out here, they ain't got it. So, okay, y'all. And they had forgot to give me some mayo sauce. So, this is how it smells good. Barely can see the bacon bits. Where is it? Okay. You gotta kind of dig for it. But it has avocado ranch dressing on it, which I love. Yes. And yeah, you can barely see the bacon bits. Ooh, people just don't want to work nowadays. Alright, so let me just get a bite of this because they don't get on my nerve. Now I can kind of see the bacon. It's really good though. The avocado ranch dressing, boy. This is really good. Dang, I should have got 2 of these bad boys. I'm going in on this. This is really good. Y'all gotta try this now. think I need any sauce on it. I just put a little bit of mayo. Just a little bit. It's nice out today. The sun is shining and everything, but it's a little cool outside. Not too cold, but it's a nice little cool breeze. Oh, this is good. It's hitting. See, they need to keep this on the menu. You know what I'm saying? That was like a limited time offer. It's like, no, keep it on the menu. This is really good. Yeah, I definitely should have got 2 of these. All right. Yeah, that's it. That's definitely a 10 for me. That avocado ranch. That's what sold me. All right, let me try these French fries. They look good. Got a little, I don't know what it's like, what's on it. And here's some sauce to go with it. Nacho cheese sauce. All right, so here go their nacho cheese sauce. Still got some steam coming out of it because I was like, I'm missing that. I'm missing that. All right, and the fries. Let's taste this. Wow. The seasoning on the fries is like a spicy. They nacho cheese is always banging. It's definitely seasoned fries, as you can tell. What? What is that? An old fry put in there? Well, these people. That was all hard and stuff. It's like, what in the world? Yeah, this is really good. They got like a nacho fries Bel Grande. But if this is good, I know that's banging. Wow. Oh yeah, these are hitting. Some of these overcooked fries. Wow, this is really good. It's some type of seasoning on here, but it's good. What's up with these hard? I ought to give them back all these hard fries. Be like, just fill it. Give me a fresh fry. Mixing the old batch with the new batch looking butts. Yeah, y'all. These are hitting though. I was like, I ought to give y'all back all your old, these stale fries. Another hard one. Now, it's not hard for y'all to make some fresh fries. Okay, and let me try the... Oh, what is in my hair? The loaded nacho cheese. Is there any nacho cheese on here? Or it's on... Okay, so they gave me a double too, Geneva, because she was like, it's not supposed to be served like that. But I guess this is how they doing it. Maybe they got the nachos cheese sauce. Yeah, it looked like they using the soft taco for the nacho cheese. Shoot, I'm gonna put me some whole nacho cheese on here because it's barely any. Let me see here. I ain't gonna be able to get that out. I don't got no spoon. Hold on now. Let me go in my little cubby hole. Oh. I'm surprised I don't got no spare spoon up in here. I guess I'll try to dip it. That's gonna be a tad bit ghetto. Let me add in some sauce. Do. This same car over here. How many times you gotta lock and unlock your car? I mean, come on. Alright. So that's that. Because they got the nacho cheese on the south part, which you can't see. It's like underneath or something. I don't know. Alright, that's something I'm gonna just scoop it out. Do it like that. I mean, for $1, it ain't bad. I'm not so crazy about their beef anyway. Adding this cheese to it made it a little bit better. It is what it is. It is for what it's worth, but you guys should definitely try that Bacon Club Chalupa. Now that's banging. Ooh, this water good. Ooh. Well, until next time, peace and love.